guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raye Khalifa. If you're brand new, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn your notification up every time I upload the video. You could be the first one to watch. Now if you're my old subscriber, welcome back. So anyways guys, today's video I'm going to Halloween dinner slash party. So I thought to myself, you know what, let me just sit down and do this makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you guys going out for a meal with your colleague, with your family for Halloween or party, this look is gonna be fantastic for everybody, every skin tone out there. So let me just sit down and just do a little quick get together slash Halloween party and stuff. I won't going crazy with the makeup. I won't do any scary makeup tutorial. I'm not gonna wear any craziness outfits, not craziness, like only I'm just gonna wear simple, smart, classic makeup and outfit. So I'm not going all my comfort zone, it's just like into my comfort zone. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Just comment and like and share and below, and all the stuff that I'm gonna be using in my tutorial today is gonna be in the below, everything. And yeah, just start because I'm a bit late as well. I'm supposed to be there around 4. I'm supposed to be there around 4. In UK right now is around 3 o'clock. So I'm just gonna do a quick get together slash Halloween look. Yeah, just let's start. Hey guys, I already done my eyebrows already. The only thing I haven't done my foundation, my eyeshadow and stuff, all the stuff I already did my eyebrows. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my color collector LA Girl in orange shade. This is gonna put it in the ducks area. You know what? I just remembered I forgot to pull a primer. I was just gonna take my my Technics brush. This is my favorite brush that I do use for most of the stuff. I forgot to pull a primer, so I'm just gonna put it after this. To put my primer, so the only thing I'm gonna do is just gonna take my my MAC primer plus Studio, I think plus. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna put it in the place that I haven't pulled the color collector or whatnot, because I forgot to pull my primer, so it's my fault. I'm trying to do this look in a hurry, that's why. The foundation I'm going to be using today is Makeup Evolution C15. That's my shade. This foundation is really cheap. Like when I say it's really cheap, it's really cheap. It's really affordable. It's only £9, I guess, or £10, and it's full coverage. It's nothing you can go wrong with this foundation. This foundation is just like amazing for my skin tone. I don't know about different skin tone over there, but this is just, I love this foundation. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Evolution again foundation, but I'm gonna use as a contour. This is C13. Only because this is a light shade and I brought quite a lot, so I was like, maybe not, I'll just use it as the highlighter. So yeah, I don't want to waste a product, you know when you buy it. I don't like, even it's cheaper as well, like it works for my skin tone. So like, what's the point to waste a foundation? You can just use it as well as a contour. I'm gonna use Makeup Evolution again, but this is a concealer, C18. This is like a shade that you can find, I think, on the concealer wise. I just love Makeup Evolution. I think it's really cheap and it goes well with my skin tone. I can't change nothing about it. Yeah, so them kind of things, like it goes well with your skin tone, it's cheaper as well, so other reason, you know. So at this point I'm gonna go again with my Makeup Evolution. I love this brush. This is my favorite brush that I do use quite often, only because it blends everything that I wanted to do blend. Like it goes well with everything. So my beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend my nose. I'm gonna take my banana powder for my Huda. This banana powder is amazing, like amazing, like amazing. The Morphe palette I'm gonna use. This is Jash. This is Jash and Ship. I think I'm reading it right. So I'm gonna go in with Jash and Ship. Just natural color, natural, nothing wow amazed about. Just simple, easy to go with. This is my Jash and Ship and I'm gonna go in with a CoverGirl Queen collection. I got this from Amazon. It was £2 something. I'm gonna link everything in below, guys. It was £2. This is just amazing. I love this. I use this as eyeshadow, I use this as a blusher, I use this as a contour. It goes with everything, but I'm just gonna use it as an eyeshadow as well today, because I want to go as like neutral brownish color eyeshadow. No like wow amazing eyeshadow, but just like neutral eyeshadow, and this I think will be perfect for that. So this is how the eyes looks like. I'm just gonna wipe all the baking powder. I don't like to leave it longer because my skin tone, if I leave it longer I might have like white lines and whatnot, and I don't like that at all. So just gonna wipe everything out. Same shadows that I used for my eye, that one and this one for my eye, my done eye. So I'm just gonna use it under my eye. And then the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the same product that I showed you guys, the CoverGirl Queen collection. I'm just gonna tap it, and then I'm just gonna go to the place that I contoured with the darkest shade, and then I'm just gonna take it in my forehead as well to make my forehead a little bit smaller. Raye, my Studio Display Plus. It is my Raye palette. I'm gonna just take this shade right here I'm just gonna go again, contouring. So the eyelashes I'm gonna be using today is Koko lashes Queen Bee. I love these lashes. These lashes, they're amazing, like amazing. When I say amazing, they're amazing. And then I'm just gonna apply them I'm just gonna apply mascara. So guys, my camera went off. Literally went off. It didn't have a charge at all, so I have to charge it and I have to come back here. So I already applied my eyelashes when I was waiting for my camera to be charged. Sorry guys, but another video gonna show you how I apply my eyelashes if you want me to do it. So yeah, literally, yeah. So the things I'm gonna take, I'm gonna take my Studio Plus powder. Studio Plus powder. Just gonna use that. So I'm just gonna tap the place that I contour, the light contour. Highlight today, I'm gonna use this is my raye. This is my raye palette. This highlight is amazing. Like, it's amazing. X1X Cocoa Butter Gloss is BLG17. I love this gloves. It's literally amazing. So, and the last thing that we're waiting for, my hair. So I'm gonna just take my wig, tie it first. Like, there's 2 ties right here because I don't want it to be everywhere. So here guys, there you are. So this is my final look guys, my makeup, my wig, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now if you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe and share and turn your notification up. Every time I upload the video like this, you're gonna be the first one to watch. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and tell me what you think about this look, and tell me, like, does it look cute, does it look what? And I'm a little bit late. Yes, I am a little bit late for my dinner, from Halloween dinner. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and bye guys.